Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch box. Start with the necessary items. You will need a few pieces of plywood, ideally 1/2 inch thick, along with some hinges, a latch, and a comfortable handle. Don't forget your basic woodworking tools like a saw for precise cuts, a drill for pilot holes, and sandpaper to smooth all edges. Having everything ready makes the building process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get to cutting and assembling. You'll want to cut your plywood into several pieces. For instance, a bottom piece of about 12 by 16 inches and 4 side pieces to form the box. Use wood glue and small nails or screws to join these pieces, making sure every corner is perfectly square. This step is crucial for the box's overall stability and strength. Next, we'll add the internal compartments and the lid. You can customize the inside with thin plywood dividers to keep your pencils, brushes, and paints neatly organized. Once the dividers are in place, attach the lid to the main box using 2 strong hinges. Make sure the lid opens and closes freely, allowing easy access to all your art supplies. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Sand every surface until it's perfectly smooth, then apply a protective wood finish or paint it your favorite color. Install a sturdy latch on the front to keep your supplies safe and secure. Lastly, attach a comfortable handle to the top, making your new sketch box easy to carry wherever your artistic adventures take you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.